Sheldon Simeon is joining us now, again from his home, with another authentic Hawaiian recipe. Aloha, Chef. How you doing?
What's up? I'm doing just fine right outside here in my backyard in Maui.
Man,
Sunshine on me, I'm doing great.
Okay, I hear that we are, first, I want to get to this drink. I want to know what we're drinking because I feel like it's going to set the tone for me.
Yeah, so this is my favorite drink. This is what I call like a patio pounder because I've knocked these back. This is the Lihimui Paloma. And what it is this salty, sweet plums that is, you'll find it all over the markets here in Hawaii, but it gives that nice little kick with some tequila, some grapefruit soda.
Oh, that's strong. That's strong, Chef. I'm not mad at you. Woo. No wonder why you call it a patio pounder, because you're going to be sitting down after that. Mm-hmm. It's good.
We're going to pound these all night.
Heck yeah. Okay, so now, you have said before that Hawaiian cuisine is like a melting pot. It's a mixture of several different cultures coming together to create something really special, right?
Yeah, it is. That's what Hawaii cuisine is. We have a beautiful host culture, the Hawaiians, that set this beautiful place up. And then we got all these other cultures that came in, my grandparents, the Filipinos, the Japanese, the Chinese, the Koreans, Puerto Ricans, Portuguese, all coming together to make this beautiful place that we call.
Listen, your cookbook has some of the tastiest recipes, some of the freshest food. It's like, it's funny because you don't have to cook the food for a long time. All the flavors are so alive. But we're gonna cook something I have heard is like one of the Asian-inspired recipes. It's also kind of like a street food recipe. The garlic, what is it? The garlic fried noodle.
Yeah, garlic fried noodles, and this is like the perfect accompaniment to any dinner party. You can put some chicken with it. A nice piece of steak, but a fish, and then just flavorful, simple garlic fried noodles.
Let's do it. Okay, so where do you say we start?
Yeah, so I'm just using your typical ramen noodles. So ramen is a big trend all over, and you can find fresh ramen noodles in your Asian market. But the big thing about this dish is the garlic. We've got 3 different layers of garlic, which I started off. You have to make some garlic in the microwave. You put some garlic and some oil, nuke it up, and you strain it out. Then you can get this perfectly fried garlic that we're going to top everything off.
Okay.
We got this flavorful garlic oil that's going to go into the pan, and then some fresh garlic to start it all off. Let's get started. This is going to go so quick.
Boom, let's go.
All right. So you got the pan in there.
Put the oil in there.
Got some garlic. Once that starts to bubble up, you don't need that much. The flavor of the garlic oil is already in there.
Okay.
And that's it. Once you only need a few seconds in that oil, we toss in.
Oh, you can smell it immediately. Yeah, fresh noodles. Okay.
Yeah, fresh noodles right in there. Boom. Get your hands in there. It doesn't matter. And we're gonna add some umami boosters.
Oh, that's that.
These are like
that meat, that meaty, earthy,
flavorful. Yeah. So we're gonna add some dashi powder right here.
Okay.
And that's just a flavor of some dried fish. But again, it's gonna add that salty umami flavor. Gonna make your noodles super, super tasty.
Okay. That's the secret weapon, I feel like.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce, okay.
And then finish it off finally with some soy sauce.
And the soy sauce, okay. Ooh.
Give that a good toss. And that's it. You're pretty much it. Once it's all tossed, the sauce is tossed through. And the noodles are warm. You're gonna put it on top of your plate.
Okay.
We're gonna add a little bit of it.
Here we go,
onions, and then top it off with the fried garlic over the top of it.
What's this red sauce?
I got some hot. Yeah, we got just your favorite hot, some sambal. I like to coat mine all over the top of it.
Okay, let's get in here. Oh my God. That's legit, Chef. That is legit. I'm not, the sambal is that's a whole different situation. Now wait, what I love about you is that you just keep leveling up. Tell me about this